What is LLM hallucination? Imagine asking a question and getting an answer that sounds perfect but is actually wrong. That's what happens when large language models, or LLMs, produce what is called hallucinations. These models, like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney, are trained on huge amounts of text and images. They learn patterns and predict what comes next in a sentence or image. But they don't truly understand facts or verify if what they generate is correct. Instead, they focus on making responses that seem fluent and relevant. LLM hallucination happens when these models produce information that looks believable but is false or nonsensical. It's like a person confidently giving an answer that's completely wrong. These errors can happen in different ways. One type is when the model says something that conflicts with what the user asked or intended. For example, if you ask about a historical event, it might give details that don't match real facts. Another type is when the model forgets earlier parts of a long conversation and contradicts itself. This can lead to inconsistent answers within the same chat. There's also what's called fact-conflicting hallucination. This is when the model states something that is simply not true, like giving incorrect dates or names. Sometimes, users can trick the model into producing false information by carefully crafting their prompts. This is called forced hallucination, and it can happen through specific prompt techniques or even hacking the system's rules. Hallucinations are a big challenge for applications that need high accuracy, like medical advice, legal research, or scientific writing. Because the responses sound so confident, it's hard for users to tell what's real and what's not. This can lead to misinformation or poor decisions if not checked. Understanding and reducing hallucinations is important when deploying AI tools like ChatGPT or image generators such as DALL-E or Midjourney. Developers work on ways to make models more reliable, like adding fact-checking steps or training on more accurate data. Ethical use of AI also means being transparent about its limitations and encouraging users to verify important information. In essence, LLM hallucination shows that these models are pattern predictors, not truth detectors. They can produce convincing but incorrect outputs because they don't have a real understanding of facts. Recognizing this helps us use AI responsibly and develop better systems in the future.